Today we're going to be talking about 5 digital art resources to help you upgrade your art. What's good, YouTube? I am digital artist Brian Hampshire, providing creators with tips and tricks, all while documenting my life as an artist. So if you're interested in this content, please hit that subscribe button. So starting at number 5 is Aaron Rutten. He does a lot of product reviews for Wacom products and Wacom alternatives, so that you can save money. You'll know what to buy, what not to buy. And he also does a lot of art tutorials and stuff like that. I personally have probably looked at all of his videos, but his channel is a real good channel if you want to save money on different digital art products. Number 4, Udemy and Skillshare.com. Now these websites are online courses where you can learn about art, video editing, how to use Photoshop, and many more. The difference between the two is Udemy, you buy the courses outright. Skillshare is a subscription base. Now, each of them has their advantages. Udemy has its advantages because once you buy the course, you own the course. You can go back and watch it anytime. Now, Skillshare, you can watch as many courses as you want to, but it is a subscription base. And once you stop subscribing to Skillshare, then you lose all of those courses. So coming in at number 3 is going to be Proko's YouTube channel. He teaches anatomy. He also has a podcast, which I love, and he gives a lot of game, a lot of advice for artists. Also, he goes out to these different conventions and he interviews different artists, asking them questions: how to make it, how did you make it, where should new artists, who is trying to get into the comics, trying to get into the gaming industry, just really, you're really getting advice from professional artists. So once again, that's Proko. That's his YouTube. Just go to YouTube, type in Proko. So coming in at number 2 is going to be Draw This and New Masters Academy YouTube channel. Now this channel focusing in on figure drawing and timed figure drawing. I often go to this channel when I don't have anything to draw, when I can't figure out what I'm going to draw. I'll go to this channel and just brush up on my gesture drawing, my figure drawing, anatomy, and all of that stuff. So this is really going to help you out. So coming in at number 1 is going to be drawabox.com. This website helps you with perspective by drawing a box. It seems simple, but it's not that simple when you get to drawing it. I've used this website several times. They also have a YouTube channel, but it has helped me out visualizing an object in 3-dimensional space. So go check that out. So I hope these 5 resources can help you guys out like it helped me out. And if you like that video, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. And as always, I'll holler at you guys next time. Believe that. So if you are... Now, these websites, I don't know if I'm mispronouncing that name or what.